Today marks the 60th anniversary of the promulgation of Apostolicam Actuositatem, the Vatican Council's landmark document on the apostolate of the Laity. This decree calls on the Laity to undertake 3 fundamental tasks, including growing in holiness, ordering the temporal order according to God's plan, and to contribute the Church's evangelizing mission. The Catholic community in Uganda, particularly representatives of the Laity from across the country, including pastoral coordinators and heads of the Laity, came together at Eulrika Guest House in Entebbe to mark this significant milestone. Reverend Father Ambrose Bwangato, the Kampala Archdiocese Pastoral Coordinator, noted that the current circumstances in which the Church operates make it particularly timely and necessary, for the very first time, for the laity to come together and reflect on the implementation of this landmark document.
Given the circumstances in which we are in the country and in the world, the presence and the participation of all the baptized in the work of evangelization is so pertinent. That's why today and tomorrow we are spending this time.
According to Ms. Emily Kitomwaka, the head of the Laity in Kampala Archdiocese, the ongoing study workshop will not only facilitate deep understanding, but also provide a platform for participants to exchange experiences and ideas on how to best live out the document's values and principles.
Why are we here? It is to give each other, one, energy that as laity we can do it. 2, to help each other know how best can we add value to our Catholic Church. Practices are different. What is in Kampala Archdiocese may be different in Gulu, in Lira, though the Catholic is universal. But how the Archbishop or the Bishop, the ordinary of a diocese, may decide works to be done, it's here we have come to borrow a leaf to learn and to make the Catholic Church better.
The 3-day workshop also serves to celebrate the pivotal role of the Laity in the mission of the Church. The National Director of the Lay Apostolate, Father Frederick Ssemogerere, commended the Laity, drawing inspirations from their historic role in the birth of Catholicism in Uganda, while they kept the candle of evangelization burning even after the departure of missionaries.
There were 300 Christians in this country, 300 and 800 catechumen. Who had done that work? The laity. And I would like you to understand that the laity went on preaching, evangelizing and sustaining the church in the absence of the missionaries. So much so that even the church grew in the absence of priests. So the laity really kept the church surviving, but they made it grow. This is a very unique situation, I think, could be in the whole of Africa. Uganda is very special in that where the laity have been really on the forefront.
In the same spirit, the Secretary General of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, Monsignor Dr. John Baptist Kauta, underscored the importance of the Laity in the growth of Mother Church, appealing to them not to abscond or cut back their efforts in the Church's mission.
The importance of the laity in the Church, you are very important, acknowledged, known, and today is your birthday here for the document of Vatican II.
Before official opening the study workshop, His Grace Paul Ssemogerere, the chairman of the Lay Apostolate Commission of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, urged the laity to be proactive in the affairs of the Church and not to abandon everything to the priests. The Archbishop emphasized that this is crucial for strengthening the Church and redeeming Uganda in the face of escalating corruption, social justices, moral decay, and youth despair.
There is that tendency of relying on the priests for the explanation of the Word of God, for leadership, for construction of churches when they are not engineers. Secondly, we need to be courageous Christian witnesses in society. Our country faces corruption, moral confusion, family breakdown, youth despair, and injustice. In these wounded spaces, the gospel must shine.